Hello, everyone. I hope all is well. My name is Mr. Tucker, and I will be your instructor for this semester. Just shooting this video to you guys to introduce myself and introduce to you guys how the class would be ran moving forward. Initially, we will be doing, as you saw in the email, uh, asynchronously, wherein that means that I will make videos for you guys to view at your own time. And from those videos, you can ask me questions, and then you would be able to attempt your assignments. If you're 101, you will have assignments in Connect Math. If you're 103, you will have assignments in WebAssign. All of them are on the computer. And whether it be your homework or your test, you will be submitting your assignments to me through those platforms. Um, Eventually, once everything settles, we will be moving to synchronously or being taught synchronously. So that means that you will have your designated times, whether it be meeting at 8 o'clock in the morning or 3 o'clock in the afternoon or whatever the case may be on those specific days. And we would do the live Zoom, and I would teach, and you guys will be able to see the lecture and be able to ask questions live, and we will be able to interact live as well. Also, I will have office hours and all the time. Office hours at certain times for you guys to be able to interact with me. So try not to be too concerned about the different situation that we're set in. We're all trying to adjust to this weird time that we didn't sign up for. But most definitely, I'm here to help you the best way that I can and to ensure that everyone stays safe, but at the same time, still be able to learn and get the grade that they desire out of the course. Videos will be posted in your email. I'll create a YouTube link. Videos will be posted in email, and also I will have them posted in your um, Blackboard announcements. So there will be a link there. That same link that I sent to you in email will be in your Blackboard announcements. So you'll always have two ways of getting to those video links. Even if we have live lectures, I will also create a video link, save that lecture, and create a video link for you to be able to review it at your leisure. Okay, so let's look at going into Blackboard. All right, so move this over. So once you go into Blackboard, if you are 101, Math 101, you would go here and see Connect Math. Click on Connect Math. Click on McGraw-Hill campus. See Connect Math is still here. Click on that. And then you will have your assignments. You have access to your assignments. So make sure you try this out. See if you can get in there. You may have to register, I believe, for McGraw-Hill for the Connect Math. You do have to register. You've already paid for it through your tuition, I believe. So there isn't a fee. You just have to register your name so that you will have access to the Connect Math account. Okay, so that's for 101, Math 101. So I'm gonna slide my screen over. All right, so let's look at Math 103. So here we have the WebAssign link. It was the same place that 101 had their Connect Math link. WebAssign should be just one click, excuse me. And yeah, so WebAssign, all you gotta do is click it one time and you'll go there. I have people already embedded in the roster, so I do not believe my 103 students have to register, but I may have to repopulate the roster if you signed on late. So once again, make sure you shoot me an email if you are not able to get into your assignments, so that I can make sure that you are on the roster. So from there, you'll be able to view your assignments. Yours may look a little different. Your screen may look a little different than mine. But in each case, whether it be 101 or 103, Connect Math or WebAssign, you will be able to view your assignments and then submit them accordingly. Due dates in both cases will be adjusted, whether it's 101 or 103. And as we progress throughout the chapter, I will set the due dates. What I'm going to do right now is set them all the way to the end of the semester, and then I will adjust them back as we finish the lectures for each chapter. So the due dates that you see right now will not be what you are held accountable for. All right. So with your homeworks, there should be unlimited amount of attempts to get the best grade possible. And so for your homeworks, you should be at least trying to get a 75 to get credit for your assignments, at least a 75. If you, and I'll put this in the syllabus as well, which will be located in Blackboard, 75 to 84.9. I will put 90% in the grade book. 85 to 100 will get 100% in my grade book. So if you want full credit, you want to at least shoot for 85% on your homeworks. With unlimited amount of tries, notice I didn't mention anything less than 75. Because if you don't have an unlimited amount of times or unlimited amount of attempts at your homeworks, I just believe that you can get a 75 if you really wanted it. So that's how we'll look at it, 75 on up if you want to get credit, 85% if you want to get full 100% credit, 85 on up. Your test, any test that I allow you to take through the platforms of Connect Math or WebAssign, I will give you 2 attempts to get the best grade possible. And then from there, if you get a 75 for your test, it is a 75. So there's no adjustment on that. Your grade is what it is when it comes to the test. And once again, you get 2 attempts to get the best grade possible. You will have proctored tests. I know for a fact we will do the final exam proctored. And what I mean by that, in other words, we will meet in the Zoom. You will bring your student ID, make sure you're able, you enable the video camera to be able to see you. So if you got to get your hair done, your house clean, backdrop right, whatever you got to do, make sure that on that day I am able to see you so that you can be proctored. I can see you, you can see me, and you will take your test. I know for a fact we'll do the final that way. We may have a midterm. If we have room for a midterm, we'll do the midterm that way as well. If I go ahead and post it in WebAssign, then you have access to do it. Or if I post it in Connect Math, no passwords or anything, then you have access to do it at your leisure. Email me if you have any questions on anything that I'm mentioning. Let me see if there's anything else I need to say. I will be creating a new video in the next day or so, lecture for the first section. The way I'll do my lectures, let me share that screen. It's by using this platform. This is from an old class, but I will write and you can hear me talk, so it'll be just like this. So as I write, I'll talk over the lecture just like we would in the classroom. So when we actually move towards live sessions, you will also be able to interject, ask questions if you have them, or type in the chat, whatever the case may be. Let's see, anything else before I close out this video? Test reviews, I'll create test reviews as well. They will be set up as homeworks. They are not mandatory for you to do, but I would suggest that you at least take a look at them before you jump into your test, because that will at least let you know what you're about to get yourself into. Your test reviews will be posted right before the test. Once again, they are not mandatory. I have offered extra credit in the pass form. So let's say if you score at least an 85 on your test reviews, then I will add 5 points to that respective test. All right. Okay, I think that is it for now. Shoot me an email if you have any questions, and look out for your lecture videos. They will be coming shortly. All right, you guys have a great day. Look forward to having a great semester with you all. Have a good one.